6 divides 6 equals to 1 divides 6 divides 12 equals to 1 over 2. And here we just change this division sign to multiply by using the KCF rule. It means that keep, change, flip. According to this rule, we change division to multiplication and we flip this value and we get 2 over 1. So here we get the value, final answer is 2. But this is wrong method, or this is the wrong way to solve this type of problem. Okay, so this complete process is wrong. If you can solve this type of question in your exam, you can give us the 0 marks if you can follow these steps. Okay, but you can just avoid these steps, and here I can discuss a nice method you can use to solve this type of problem. So in order to solving this type of problem, you here if you have, you see that these are the same operation lies each of these terms, so we can just solve this type of operation from left to right side. It means that first we solve these two values, its resulting answer is solved with these two values, its resulting answer is solved with this 12. Okay, so according to this way, we can proceed again the solution of this problem. So here the correct way is that uh, you see that 6 divides 12 is written as 6 over 6 divides 6 divides 12. So this 6 and this 6 are cancelled out by each other, and we get here 1 divides 6 divides here 12. And further we solve these values, and 1 divides 6 is right into the fraction form. 1 over 6 divides 12. So here we use the KCF rule, and you very well know about the KCF rule. Here K stands for keep. It means that we keep the first term as it is. C stands for change the operation. Okay, so you see that we have this operation is division, we change this division operation to multiplication. Okay, and at the last we have F. This F means that flip the value. So here we have the last value is 12, and we can just flip it, and you see that the denominator of this term is 1. So according to this rule, we can explain, we can simplify this term. Here we keep the first term as it is. This is 1 divide 6. Here we change this division to multiply, and we flip the next value. This is 12 over 1. We write it as 1 over 12. And here we multiply the values. 1 times 1 becomes 1. 6 times 12 becomes here 6 2s are 12. We write 2 and carry 1. 6 1s are 6 plus 1 becomes here 7. So the final answer of this question is 1 over 72. So this is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.